What is Warren Buffett doing in 2025? And what can you learn from it? Have you ever wondered how one of the greatest investors of all time is positioning himself right now? The market is more volatile than ever. Interest rates are high, and many stocks are trading at sky-high valuations. So, what is Warren Buffett doing? Something that might surprise a lot of people. In today's video, we're going to analyze the Oracle of Omaha's strategy and what we, as regular investors, can learn from him. So, if you're looking to evolve financially, make sure to hit the like button and let's get started. Current scenario: the challenge of high interest rates. In recent years, the economic landscape has changed drastically. Interest rates have risen, making fixed-income investments much more attractive. Buffett, known for his patience and discipline, is taking advantage of this phase by reallocating part of his capital into U.S. Treasury bonds. But why? Because these returns are guaranteed, and he is not willing to take unnecessary risks in an overvalued market. And here comes the first lesson. Sometimes, the best investment is waiting for the right opportunity. Inflated market. Are stocks too expensive? If you follow the stock market, you've probably heard of the so-called Magnificent Seven, companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla, which have skyrocketed in recent years. But are they still good investments? Buffett thinks otherwise. He recently reduced his stake in Apple, one of his biggest holdings, because he believes the company is overvalued. This teaches us another fundamental lesson. Even the best assets have a fair price to pay. Overpaying can hurt your long-term returns. The trap of speculation and FOMO. The current market is full of investors who jumped into stocks with the wrong mindset, chasing quick profits, jumping from stock to stock, blindly following recommendations, and worst of all, buying out of fear of missing out, the famous FOMO. Buffett has warned about this many times. The stock market is not a casino. If you don't know what you're investing in, you're not investing, you're gambling. Warren Buffett's strategy: simplicity and patience. If there's one thing Buffett always emphasizes, it's the importance of investing with patience and discipline. He follows the concept of the 20-slot punch card, meaning that in your lifetime, you should only make 20 major investment decisions. This forces you to choose only the best opportunities. So, what is he doing now? Holding cash and waiting for the right time to act. He knows that crises happen, and when panic sets in, prices drop and opportunities arise. That's when he goes in strong. How can you apply this to your life? If you want to invest like the greats, follow these principles. Don't be afraid to hold cash. If there are no good opportunities, waiting might be your best move. Avoid buying overvalued stocks. Price matters, no matter how good the company is. Invest with conviction and for the long term. Those who speculate usually end up losing. Focus on simplicity. Solid companies, good prices, and patience build wealth. The time to decide. Now tell me, how are you investing in 2025? Are you following the hype or learning from the best? What Buffett is doing today may not seem exciting, but in the long run, this approach always wins. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to Financial Evolution and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.